Women's empowerment through quality education, innovation, and leadership. Our college is more than just an education institute. It is a space where women are nurtured, trained, and inspired to become leader in their fields. We welcome to be a part of our college. It's a passionate about science, creativity, research, or services. Approximate 4,000 students are studying here. This is establishment year 1954. Welcome to the entry gate or college. This college has been stabilized promoting women's education in Madhya Pradesh, offering unique blend of science and home science discipline under one roof. So you can see a very safe and secure college for the students. In entry gate, our guard bhaiya will check the admit cards of students. After that they can entry in our college. So please welcome to our warm college. Now next let's closer look towards the leadership of college. Our principal sir Dr. Sameer Shukla. Best principal of our college. You can see here. This is the chamber of principal sir. Now next let's closer towards the departments. Departments have many laboratories, libraries for the students. They can learn effectively. You can see one by one laboratories will come and students are doing something. This is the electronic lab, physics lab. Students are done all the practicals time to time here. You can see microbiology lab, botany lab, all over labs, well occupied labs across the departments. Education is not confined to books, it's a blend science, creativity, culture and community. In our laboratories and learning spaces, young minds are shaped into skilled professionals. You can see here all the students are doing very well practicals. One by one labs are coming here. You can see, and this is our clothing and textile department. You can see fashion designing is learned by the students here. Now next let's closer towards the departments of chemistry, mathematics, physics, micro, zoology, electronics, CACS, biotechnology, biochemistry, agriculture, department of language, food and nutrition, clinical nutrition, clothing and textile, human development, resource management. Smart digital classrooms are over here available. More than 4 digital classrooms and digital boards are available here for the students. Now you can see closer looks towards the hostel. Hostel is very safe and secure for the students. More than 700 students can stay here. Mass facility is also available here. 4 wings are available for the students. All type of facilities are available in the students for the students here. You can see this is the entry gate of our hostel. Reception is also available 24 hours for any query. Now next let's towards healthcare department. Short-term courses are run by the college that are free for the students. They can get certificate for after completion the course. These are run in computer labs like CPCT, web designing, transform your dreams with web designing, shop, and more courses are run. Cyber security also run here for the students. You can see well equipped computer labs are here. 24 hours internet facility available for all the students. Now let's look closer towards the library. Very big library and one reading room separate we here. You can see, look, welcome to our Granthalaya. Meet our librarian Dr. Vandana Arnold. You can see here, this is the library. Student can search for the books and you can students can issue from this counter. Automated system is here for available for the students book issue. Now welcome towards the reading room. Students can read here books, magazines and newspapers. You can see old question papers are also available for here, and e-library is also available for the students. 3-4 gardens in campus. Greenery is very important for our nature. So this college fulfill this requirement very very completely. You can see here gym and swings are available for the students. Sport complex also available. Seminar hall for the program. Conference room for the meeting. Very big auditorium available here for all the programs. CP lab available here. Plant 10th and 12th UGC. Two CP labs are available for the students for doing their practices, and more vocational courses done here for the students. Sports complex available here. NCC, NSS practicing are done in the sports complex. Gym is also available for the students. You can see here. Let's look closer towards the botanical garden. Courses at glance: maths, home science, biology, PG courses, diploma courses run here. You can see. For more information, you can visit our website. You can search GMH College in Google. You can watch first link, GMH College, Home Science College, Jabalpur. Admission process and fees structure and more information you can get here. Some clips: Jigyasa Jain meet our Pradhan Mantri Modi, get first position in quiz competition. Khelo India, Khelo, and moreover activities are here. You can see one by one. This is the best college for the students. Please visit here once. Our alumni have gone to become research educators, entrepreneurs, government officials, and change makers, creating a powerful legacy of women leadership. So please boost employability and entrepreneurship skill here. Thank you so much for watching complete video.